In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make easy 5s, 10s, or even 100s by this simple trading strategy I'm going to teach you guys on this screener. So this strategy involves you trading the second one of Memecoin. Memecoin, you have the first one, that is when the coin is creating newly, it gain attention. It's one the first time. We have the second one, and after we trace me, and that second one most times often higher, or it's often run faster or even higher than the previous one you get. So to get coins that will do this, are coins that will be created within the first 2 to 3 hours you get that they have been created. So to do this, all we're doing is simply come over to this website filters, and I'm going to click on filters. I'm going to put hours, maximum about 3 hours. I'm going to click on apply and then click on all platform. So you click on all platform and choose Solana because we truly Solana meme coin. This particular blockchain has the most volume that we've seen before. So let's just give this a sec for it to load. So now what we'll be doing, we'll be opening up coins, random coins that kind of have volumes and trying to see if we can get into them. So I'll be opening them up in a new browser. I'm going to look at them. Then I'm going to tell you guys how you enter into the coin. I'll be explaining the strategy way. So guys, we're able to get a coin that is really created in the last 2 hours, about 28.20. As you can see, this coin is currently having attention, but in the last 1 hour, and about more than 60k volumes, and as people still buying into this particular coin, and in 5 minutes, they see transactions go in. So this is like of the second way I'm talking about. As you can see, the coin has gone up to as 400k market cap, as 400k market cap at this place. Can see push down consolidation at this place, and that's position of picking up to. Before you buy into this coin, you should know what you should do. The first is actually confirm utilities are actually locked. You get by copy the CA, put the Telegram, make use of details votes to see if the liquidities when they lock, and they can check their Twitter page to see if the people are tweeting about the coin you get. But as you can see, if you check the Atlantic, you see that it's actually kind of new. You get so might one, but we don't know. But with this strategy, you get to see new coins, and buying the coin, it is very easy. What we're doing is simply waiting patiently for bonus to come up. Get as you can see, this kind of consolidation at this particular place. If it is able to break above, it's able to break above this particular level, right? It's able to break above this particular level. So it means that this coin is still going to probably get to 400 market cap, and then it's going to take profit again. You get so trading this kind of coin requires you to put in much smaller time frame than 1 minute. So 1 minute time frame, you get to see what market is actually doing. Yes, but if it's able to break above this level, it means that this coin is will do well, like might break above it, get the founding market cap, then it traces again, but you can see. So all you need to do is simply what? Wait patiently and keep observing it yet. And remember, you don't buy at the top. Understood. So another thing you should probably do is actually put this in, click on this feature, always put this in like $100 to see if there are ways buying into the coin. Get there are ways they are buying into the coin. There are people buying, putting large transactions, putting big amount into this particular coin. So we are seeing just people taking profit, right? So you just have to do this to keep to see. The next coin is Minera too. This particular one is also a very new coin, and as you can see, when you check the 1 hour, you can see that this volume in the 5 minutes is also good. People interested in this particular coin at the moment. So it is very similar to previous one. Put it in lower time frame, and then onto the is kind of observe. Look for good entry. Yet when coin trading is not rocket science. It just involves you look for a good coin, and then buying at the right time, don't buy the top, buy at the right time, and you take a profit. They are not coin you hold for a long time. They are coin that you probably buy and you make profit off the coin. This is a relatively new one, but 36 minutes ago. Just have to confirm liquidity is actually locked, and you get at this place, might get lucky, might lucky, but this is kind of at the top. Many people that bought at this place, maybe like 50k market cap, would like to take profit at 100k market cap because it's like 2s. So you kind of wait for a little bit of a pullback, You get before you drop in, don't drop in at the very top because people that bought here that would like to say you get very easy. Remember, I would check if the liquidity is actually locked, check the top 10 orders you get, and since it is a new coin, you have to put it in 1 minute. Put the time in 1 minute. If you put it in 1 minute, my network kind of laggy. That's why this is not like when I click, it takes time to load. So I don't know what's happening. But guys, before we continue, if you are learning a thing from this video, I find it helpful, please do to give it thumbs up, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. So now I'll be checking the other coin, the last one. So this one is also a relative new one too. As many people are taking profit and 1 million market cap. You might be surprised about taking profit at this space. If you're watching my video, you know what I said that 1 million market cap, psychological support at resistance level. How many market cap? 2 million rand figures, they are psychological support at resistance level, which means that even market or price gets to this particular place, people will always take profit. Usually when people are taking profit at 1.6, okay, everybody know that okay, at 2 million market cap, everybody will be taking profit. So when they get close to 2 million market cap, like 1.5, 1.6, 1.8, people will start taking profit to get. So for this particular one, you can see there's a dip, right? It's almost close to 1 million market cap. So you can enter 1 million market cap, 2 million market cap, you take profit. So I don't have to tell you when if you enter or not to get, but just enter. Ensure when you find a good coin, ensure you don't enter at the top. And you get to check liquidity is locked. You can see right here. You don't show liquidity locked. And people will buy into the coin. Market cap is on 1.3 million. If they decide to sold or remove liquidity, all these small particular will be gone. And everybody, about 2,000 users, 2,000 orders, particular will all lose their money. It's still possibility that the liquidity is as the lock, but it is not reflected here. Get so you can also check that by tweeting. So let me just check that. As can check it by simply click on this place then and go over to Telegram. So on this particular place, I'll place the CA address on this board, TTF board. This is the board that I use in checking for rocks, checking for scams.
Good
Good
and
and
really,
really,
really.
very helpful.
So
So
as
as
you
you
can
can
see,
see,
liquidity
liquidity
is
is
100%
100%
bond.
burnt.
Yes,
Yes,
liquidity
liquidity
is
is
bond.
burnt.
Fundamental
Fundamental
table and
and
it's
it's
looking
looking
good.
good.
But
But
in
in
this
this
space, you
place, you
can
can
see
see
the
the
padlock
padlock
sign
sign
is
is
not
not
showing.
showing.
Probably
Probably
Dexscreener
Dexscreener
has
has
not
not
updated.
updated it, so I
It's try
decided
to
to
show
show you
you
guys.
guys.
Yeah,
There's
there's
also
also
some
some
cases
cases
where
where
we
we
are
are
going
going
to
to
see
see
that
that
the
the
liquidity
liquidity
is
is
showing
showing
low.
lock.
When
When
you
you
check
check
in
in
this
this
book,
book,
you
you
see
see
that
that
liquidity
liquidity
is
is
not
not
locked.
locked.
So
So
that's
that's
actually a
actually a
very
very
good
good
coin.
coin.
You
You
get
get
it's
it's
actually
actually
a
a
very
very
good
good
coin.
coin.
So
So
you
you
can
can
see
see
it
it
has
has
done
dumped
close
close
to
to
1
1
million
million
market
market
cap.
cap.
Good
Good
time
time
for
for
it
it
to
to
enter.
enter.
And
And
also
also
do
do
well
it
to
to
check
check
our
that
Twitter
Twitter
and
and
Telegram
Telegram
page.
page.
Twitter
Twitter
and
and
their
their
website
website
because
because
they
they
have
have
a
a
website,
website,
they
they
have
have
Twitter
Twitter
to
to
see
see
if
if
the
the
coin
coin
is
is
currently
currently
trending.
trending.
That's
That's
what
what
matters.
matters.
Once
Once
a
a
coin
coin
is
is
trendy
trendy
and
and
is
is
a
a
new
new
coin,
coin,
once
once
you
you
buy
buy
the
the
coin,
coin,
as
as
long as
long
the
as the
coin
coin
is
is trending, you can
you
easily
make
make your
5x
5x
of
of
the
the
particular
particular
coin.
coin. So
And this
this
goes
goes
it's
it's
still
still
similar
similar
to
to
this
this
other
other
one,
one,
right?
right?
They're
They're
all
all
the
the
same.
same.
A
A
coin
coin
that
that
is
is
currently
currently
trending
trending
with
with
tends
tends
to
to
do
do
well
well
at
at
the
the
moment.
moment.
The
The
coin
coin
will
will
do
do
well,
well,
you
you
get,
get,
but
but
you
you
just
just
have
have
to
to
be
be
careful
careful
not
not
to
to
buy
buy
rocks
rocks
and
and
don't
don't
hold
hold
for
for
too
too
long,
long.
get.
Get
A
and
main
main
coin
coin
are
are
not
not
coin
coin
that
that
you
you
hold
hold
for
for
long.
long.
They
They
are
are
coin
coin
that
that
you
you
buy
buy
and
and
you
you
take
take
profit
profit
of
of
the
the
coin.
coin.
Get.
Get
So
so
this
this
particular
particular
one
one
is
is
still
still
ranging
ranging
around
around
this
this
particular
particular
level,
level,
600
600
level
level,
and
this
this particular
particular
level.
level.
So
So
probably
probably
it
it
might
might
even
even
go
go
down
down
to
to
zero.
zero.
We
We
don't
don't
know
know
yet,
yet,
but
but
you
you
just
just
have
have
to
to
keep
keep
on
on
watching the
watching the
coin.
coin.
You
You
have
have
to
to
spend
spend
time
time
going
going
through
through
this
this
particular
particular
coins,
coins,
watching
watching
them
them
and
and
trading.
trading.
Don't
Don't
come
come
to
to
the
the
scanner
scanner
and
and
apply
apply
filter
filter
and
and
select
select
and
and
buy.
buy.
You
You
have
have
to
to
do
do
your
your
own
own
research. You
research. You
get.
get.
So
Okay,
guys,
guys,
this
this
should be it
it
for
for
this
this
video.
video.
If it was helpful, go to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon. There are links to both in the description box that you can use to buy coin. This both allow you to buy coin really very fast. I used to say coin really very fast. And you do my Telegram WhatsApp community. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.